Hey, guess what? I am back on that 2003 Xterra doing a timing chain, the belt, the water pump. All right, so I'm getting ready to put that water pump in. All right, so we got the pump all set up here, but I have to put some high tack over here, but the gasket is all twisted up. So I'm trying to straighten it out, make it, good here. Let's see how it's gonna go. Right. Put a gasket in the box, all crooked. All right, so about to put it in here now. Let me see how it goes. It's gonna stay. Just a new pump. Get a bolt in here. Let's see. Let's stay there. Show gasket put a small hook around it up. I can tighten it up. Missing a bolt. Oh. Got your rag here. Got it. This one over here. This one is special head, so it goes here. Put a cover bolted onto it. Alright, so that's all bolted up. This piece here, plastic. This piece here, you have to, this piece in here, slide it in. That's where that goes. Another one I drop on the floor, I gotta get it from the ground. Put that in there. Alright, Got these 4 studs here. I gotta put it into the water pump. Right here in front. Let's put the fan blade. I also ordered a new hose with new clamps for this one here, but I get it till tomorrow, so I can't put it back together. Can't do the belt yet, so I wait until tomorrow. Right, that's good here. Okay, so that's it for now. Till the next one come up when I get the other part in. Later.